Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's go to the supermarket with me. I want to buy it.
Okay, friend. Here you are.
Thank you.
See you again.
Okay, let's go home. Wow, the squids look so fresh. Remove the head and internal shell of the squid. Then we peel off the skin. Wow, we also have a recently prepared squid. Do the same step again. Open the fridge and look for some sausage. The sausage must be sliced to the squid's length. Wow, the cheese here is delicious. Let's roll the sausage that way now. After that, I insert the cheese roll sausage into the squid. Well done, Clover. We have a cart with lots of spices. Pick up some flour and put it in the tray. Okay, that's enough. Add some paprika. Don't forget to add the black pepper.
Yes.
Salt and an egg. Mix, mix, mix. We have a paste that is smooth. What is this, do you know? Exactly, it's breadcrumbs. Toss the squid in the flour mixture until evenly coated. Then transfer them to the breadcrumbs. Let's put it back together. Ready to fry. Put the pan on the stove. Fill the pan with cooking oil. Drop in a squid. If the oil bubbles and forms around and the ink floats, the oil is ready. Looks so delicious. Put it on a rack to drain the oil. Next, I'll make a sauce for fried squid. We need garlic, chili, a little lemon juice. Add a little salt. Crush, crush, crush. Need some more chili sauce. Mix well. Looks spicy already. Yummy! Enjoy with me. Fried calamari is best when it's served immediately. Thank you for watching. Please like and share to support me. I will bring more interesting videos.